Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video that you are looking at the screen, so in this video, I was responding to another creator who created a solution using NA10, and the creator was charging some fees to download and use it. And also, basically, what that solution was about, it was about converting your YouTube video transcript into an Excel file, right? So basically, the content creator said that you can provide any YouTube videos. It will analyze using AI, and it will suggest the thumbnail that you can use to beat your competition, right? So in my response to that video, I provided an alternate solution using Power Automate Desktop and the YouTube's inbuilt Gemini AI feature, right? So in that video, I provided an alternate solution using that approach. Now I'm going to change my solution a little bit. Instead of going for Power Automate Desktop, I'm going to use a PowerShell script and Gemini CLI, right? So if you don't know what Gemini CLI is, please go ahead and download the Gemini CLI. Okay, so let me show you that. Let me search for Gemini CLI. So it will take you to Google Gemini CLI homepage. Okay, so this is the Gemini CLI homepage. So what you can do is you can simply go ahead and download it, right? So you can find the installation thing, how to install, right? So you must have Node.js running on your system, and mine is Windows. So once you have the Gemini, you can simply go ahead in your console, whether it is PowerShell or whatever. You can simply hit on Gemini, right? So this will give you a nice CLI to work with your LLM. And the good thing is it is completely free, right? So why I'm going for this solution instead of the traditional one? Because that would require LLM subscription, right? You may have to subscribe for API, which does not come cheap, right? So in my solution, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Gemini CLI, which is absolutely free, right? So to make the solution work, you need to install Gemini CLI first. And here is my PowerShell code. It's very small code, right? Basically, what I'm doing is here is the input of the YouTube URLs that you want to transcribe and do the AI summarization instead of you doing manually. So you can put any number of URLs there. And in the loop, I'm basically running this command, right? Gemini command, right? Gemini CLI, right? And -p stands for the prompt. So what I'm saying to Gemini, that here is the YouTube URL, and the URL will come from this loop, and just mention key takeaways from this video and suggest thumbnail so that I can make a better version. Okay, and -y means if there is any user approval required, it will automatically approve those. Like that's what it basically do it all, right? And then I'm creating a temporary object and storing that in an array. And finally, I'm exporting the array to Excel. So I will show the output, so you will get the idea. So this is going to take some time. So I will pause the video and I will come back once the video. Welcome back. You can see the script has completed running. So it took some time, as you can understand, right? So it has completed running, and it exported the output to this Excel, right? Let me go to that path, and this is our Excel, youtube.xlxx. You can see the output, right? So the first column has title YouTube URL, and second is the AI suggestion that we mentioned in our script, right? So this is what we wanted, two columns. And you can see this is the first URL, and this is the transcript, the AI summarization of the transcript, right? So you can see what are the key takeaways, and how we can use a better thumbnail to make a better version of it, right? So this talks about that, right? And let's go to the second video, and this is also we got the key takeaways and the thumbnail suggestion, right? So in this way, we have successfully completed our task of reading YouTube videos and asking AI to summarize without spending single penny on API subscription, right? So this was it about this video. I hope you might have liked it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and please do leave your comments. Thanks for watching.